It's funny because we typically get called for one of two reasons. Either windows have become a need, they bought a new house, or they've been in a house for a long period of time and the windows are currently failing. And then what we get people where windows becomes a want. There's a certain design or there's something that they're really looking for to kind of change up the design or the look of the home. Either way, the fun part about windows nowadays is that it's not just that boring white on white. And what we're really seeing the trends where we are moving to, everybody's driven around your neighborhood for the last 10 years and seen black windows. So you've had the white, you've had the brown, and you've had the black, but we're really seeing those trends continue to move into more painted colors and windows. Most of our window manufacturers, the Marvins, the Pellas, what they're doing is they're giving multiple design options from an exteriors look, bolder colors. We're seeing a big design shift away from the white and black, the white siding with black windows. We're starting to see this big trend going towards darker colors with black windows. We're starting to see a lot of people wanting the black windows on both the inside and the outside and the inside of the home. The white and black we're kind of seeing phasing out, but that white and black phasing out is actually phasing into white with gray. So most of the window manufacturers now have these really nice gray exterior windows with your lighter roofs or your metal roof accents that again are really allowing that personality or that pop in the home. From a style wise, we're still, double hungs and casements are your primary window features, but it's not that hard. We've got a lot of homeowners with older homes, they don't have enough windows. And when we're doing a siding project or we're doing a window project, it's not hard to widen spaces, open up new, bigger windows, create bigger openings in your home. So we are seeing that trend where not only are we changing the exterior colors, not only are we changing the interior colors, but we're seeing a big movement where people want more light in the home. We're really opening up larger spaces, larger front windows, larger bedroom windows. All things like that are much easier than most homeowners think they are. Again, most of the confines are typically in people's heads, not what they can actually do on the home. Again, the great part of all of this stuff now with modern technology is the ability to actually see those changes right on your home without actually having to do it. So the AI features, the design capability that we've got in all these types of projects, they make it really cool that you can kind of see the latest trends. You can see what your home would look like with gray or brown windows with bigger openings. So it gets exciting from a design standpoint when you're working with the homeowners. Or as a homeowner, it's exciting to actually be able to see your home 10 different ways before you have to make a decision. I got a great story from a homeowner that we went in and we had actually taken a picture of their house before because they had told us they wanted to change up their house, but they didn't really know where to start. So we took a picture and AI ended up doing 10 or 12 different looks of their home. And the homeowner's response when they looked at the pictures were, "Oh my God, those look fantastic, but you can't do that with my house because of all the stuff." And then she looked closer and she was like, "Oh my goodness, that is my house." So again, I think that the trends that we're starting to see again is really people being able to move and express themselves with a lot more color, with a lot more design, and we can actually put that on your home before we actually put it on your home.